When are you going to? When are you going to call your mom? When are you going to buy groceries? When are you going to return that book to the library? When are you going to take out the trash? When are you going to finish that project? I guess we have to. I guess we have to cancel our plans due to the rain. I guess we have to reschedule the meeting because of the conflict. I guess we have to take the stairs since the elevator is out of service. I guess we have to find a new restaurant because this one is fully booked. I guess we have to wait for the next train since we missed this one. When do I have to? When do I have to submit the report? When do I have to renew my passport? When do I have to pay the rent? When do I have to pick up my sister from the airport? When do I have to finish the assignment? It's bothersome to. It's bothersome to deal with rude customers. It's bothersome to commute during rush hour. It's bothersome to untangle earphones every time. It's bothersome to remember everyone's birthday. It's bothersome to wait in long lines at the DMV. Are you planning to? Are you planning to attend the conference next month? Are you planning to buy a new car this year? Are you planning to take a vacation this summer? Are you planning to apply for that job opening? Are you planning to go to the party tonight? Is it possible to? Is it possible to extend the deadline for the project? Is it possible to get a refund for this product? Is it possible to change my flight reservation? Is it possible to switch to a different mobile plan? Is it possible to find a parking spot nearby? You were supposed to. You were supposed to submit the report yesterday. You were supposed to call me back an hour ago. You were supposed to pick up the kids from school. You were supposed to bring the documents to the meeting. You were supposed to finish the task before leaving. Make sure to. Make sure to lock the door before leaving. Make sure to double-check your work for errors. Make sure to wear a helmet when riding a bike. Make sure to turn off the oven after cooking. Make sure to take your medicine at the same time every day. It's so hard to. It's so hard to quit smoking. It's so hard to save money when there are so many expenses. It's so hard to wake up early in the morning. It's so hard to lose weight without a proper diet and exercise. It's so hard to say no to tempting offers. What's the best way to? What's the best way to learn a new language? What's the best way to reduce stress and anxiety? What's the best way to prepare for a job interview? What's the best way to improve your public speaking skills? What's the best way to invest your money for the long term?